Introducing the Shiny Leaf Skin Pro Series. How to use Hydro-Plumping Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Cleanse your face to remove makeup and dirt. Take 2 to 3 pumps of hyaluronic acid serum. Apply gently to face, neck, and chest area. Allow the serum to absorb into your skin. Put on a sunscreen or makeup if needed. See soft and supple skin with daily use. For best results, use the Shiny Leaf Vitamin C Serum in the morning and the Shiny Leaf Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid Serums together at night. Shiny Leaf Hyaluronic Acid Serum moisturizes and hydrates the skin, fills in fine lines and wrinkles, relieves dryness or flaking, firms and plumps the skin, creates a glowing complexion, keeps skin soft and smooth. It's free from sulfates, parabens, gluten, phthalate, alcohol, fragrance. Order now and feel your skin instantly refreshed.
Shiny Leaf. Look good, love yourself.